Welcome to our YouTube channel, Beyond Beaks. Turkeys, majestic birds of the Americas. Turkeys, iconic birds native to the Americas, are known for their impressive size, distinctive plumage, and cultural significance. These gallinaceous birds, belonging to the family Phasianidae, have a rich natural history intertwined with human traditions. This comprehensive exploration into the world of turkeys delves into their biology, diverse species, behaviors, cultural importance, and the conservation challenges they face in the modern world. Physical characteristics. Turkeys are large birds with a distinctive wattle, fleshy protuberance, that hangs from the neck and a fleshy growth, called a snood, that hangs over their beak. Male turkeys, called toms or gobblers, are known for their striking plumage, with iridescent feathers and long, fan-like tails. Female turkeys, called hens, typically have more subdued coloration. Diverse species. There are two primary species of turkeys, the wild turkey, Meleagris gallipavo, and the ocellated turkey, Meleagris ocellata. The wild turkey, native to North America, is further divided into various subspecies, each adapted to specific regions. Habitat and range. Wild turkeys inhabit diverse habitats, including forests, grasslands, and swamps. They are found throughout North America, from Canada to Mexico. Turkeys have also been introduced to other regions, including Europe and New Zealand, where they thrive in suitable environments. Behavior and social structure. Turkeys are social birds, forming flocks that vary in size depending on the season. During the breeding season, males display their plumage and engage in elaborate courtship rituals, including strutting, gobbling, and puffing up their bodies. Hens select mates based on these displays. Diet and foraging habits. Turkeys are omnivores with a diet that includes seeds, fruits, insects, and small invertebrates. They forage on the ground using their strong legs and scratch the soil with their feet to uncover food. In winter, turkeys may also eat buds and twigs. Reproduction and nesting. Breeding season for turkeys typically occurs in the spring. Hens construct nests on the ground, often hidden in tall grass or under shrubs, and lay a clutch of eggs. After hatching, the mother cares for the chicks, known as poults, teaching them to forage and roost. Cultural significance. Turkeys hold cultural importance in various societies, especially in North America. Native American tribes revered the wild turkey as a symbol of abundance, gratitude, and fertility. The turkey has become a symbol of Thanksgiving, a traditional holiday in the United States, and is often featured in festive feasts. Conservation and threats. Wild turkeys faced population declines in the past due to habitat loss, overhunting, and changes in land use. Conservation efforts, including habitat restoration and regulated hunting, have led to successful population recoveries in many regions. However, ongoing threats such as habitat fragmentation and disease pose challenges to turkey populations. Domestication and farming. Domestic turkeys, selectively bred for meat production, differ significantly from their wild counterparts. Domestic turkeys are larger and have white plumage, while wild turkeys display a range of colors. Turkey farming is a significant industry, especially around Thanksgiving and other festive occasions. Turkeys, with their majestic presence and cultural significance, are more than just birds, they are symbols of the natural world's resilience and adaptability. From their distinctive calls echoing through North American forests to their role as a centerpiece on Thanksgiving tables, turkeys continue to captivate and enrich human experiences. Understanding and appreciating these magnificent birds is essential for their conservation and for recognizing the intricate connections between wildlife and cultural traditions. Turkeys are not merely fowl, they are living embodiments of the intersection between nature and human history, showcasing the enduring beauty and importance of these remarkable birds. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel to get more videos.